To that, you add 1 tablespoon. Want to go ahead? 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Just put it in the water?
Yes, put it in the water. And then add 1 packet of the yeast. Just like that. And what do I do? And you just whisk it together.
Kind of like that?
Yep, just to blend it all together. Sit and let it proof, and if it proofs, gets bubbly on the top or foamy. If it doesn't, that means your yeast is dead and it didn't work, so you start again. This in here, go ahead and pour that in.
Okay.
And use your spatula to whatever's left in the spoon. Like 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
Just and then 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
And then are you gonna put olive oil in that bowl over there?
Yes. Yep. And then 3½ cups of flour. You can look at the time on there if you want. Lock the mixer. And you put it on low, so just go like to 2. And it's 5:32, so about 2 minutes.
Am I doing it?
Mm-hmm.
Give me a job at Mellow Mushroom.
Honestly. Sign her up. Can you throw it up in the air for us?
Look at that. Well, that's afterwards.
Now we're gonna put it into the olive oil.
Okay. So you just put it in?
And
then mix it all around.
Mix it around.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, so this is the dough so far. So is this the first one that we did?
That's the first one.
Okay.
And then this is the one that just started.
That we just did. That's crazy how it rises like that. Alright, so these are our toppings that we have for our pizza. So this is onions and some mushrooms, some pepperonis, some mozzarella cheese. Then we have basil and tomatoes and black olives. And this is the sausage and our sauce. And then this is the dough that's rising.
So we've got the pizza block right there. And then this bad boy preheats for 30 minutes. And then you put 1 pizza and it makes a 12-inch pizza.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. So we're just splitting the dough in half right now.
Yeah. Here's yours.
So right now we're making a margarita pizza and meat lovers.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Because you don't want the dough to be too thick.
Right.
Help JC with hers and I'll do bubbles.
I'll let this side.
JC, do you like a thicker crust around the edge or do you want it to be more flat?
I like kind of thicker.
So do you just kind of like tuck it like that?
Like this, like see what I'm
See,
doing?
that was like too much.
But yeah, make it
Like even?
a perfect, whatever the size you want first, Sam, and then kind of go
So
around.
do you think that's about 12 inches?
Do that.
It doesn't have to be exactly 12, you just don't want it to be real,
More
the
than
dough to be
12.
real thick in certain places.
So then you just kind of tuck it like this.
Like
Go
this
around.
is what I'm doing, Sam.
Yeah. So you just want to do that. So just kind of pinch.
Good to me.
So now should I get the sauce?
Yes.
Just put it right here on the block. All right, here's our pizza sauce. Jace, do you want to put yours on?
You got it.
You got it. So how much do we want on it, Mom?
However much you want.
Just like a pretty
2 little dots.
even.
Well, yeah, of course, even. I just
And
don't.
then just kind of use the back of your spoon
How
to
high
just
is
spread it out however you want.
I'm
You don't want it to
too
be
good
over-
for Papa John's.
Well, you don't want it to be too much sauce, but you also don't want it to be too dry. But are you going to put meat on that one?
Yeah, we're gonna do
Just meat?
mozzarella.
Are you
Yeah,
doing
this is
just
just
meat?
a meat lovers one. So we're gonna put some mozzarella and then sausage and pepperoni on this one.
Okay. So yeah, I would do cheese and then put your meat on top. Good job, JC.
That's good.
Thank you.
Alright. You wanna help me spread the cheese?
Do you want me to put the sauce on this one, or you guys want to put
You
the
can.
sauce on?
You can do it.
Don't be shy, put some more. Put some more. How much cheese do you think, Mom?
Well, you however much. Again,
Well, I like the cheese.
it's what you like. You don't want it to be
I like cheese too.
overboard, but if you guys like overboard, then
We can do it at the same time. You do the sausage.
Okay, yeah. I'll just go like
Is this the only one?
after you.
What else are we using pepperoni on?
We can do it on the last one, the like supreme one.
Oh yeah.
you guys.
Now we're just gonna wait for the pizza cook-off
Okay,
to
so-
power on.
It's
Yes.
not a lot of meat like you're used to having.
Yeah, it's a small pizza.
Is that gonna be enough meat for you guys?
I think so. You can get some more sausage down.
Yeah.
Do you want more tomatoes cut up, JC? Or
I think this is good for this pizza.
okay.
Yeah.
And we get margarita pizza.
I think y'all
Good.
see that.
It looks great.
Alright, so this is the margarita
Put
pizza.
it on the floor.
Not drop it on the floor.
You definitely added all the meat.
Almost ready.
Oh wow, you really?
Yeah, he definitely put on like a whole.
Don't you need more
layer.
meat? Sure, let's put twice as much.
It's just a cool 600 degrees. Nothing too
I think
crazy.
660
Lower it a little bit.
actually.
Lower a little bit. Alright, you can pull out that way. It's good.
Ah, there you go. Oops.
What do you think? That's good right there?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna close it now and leave it like this for 2 minutes. And then we're gonna pull out the parchment paper after 2 minutes and leave it for another 10.
Well, broken.
Alright, so we made our toppings too high, so it got a little burnt where the little marks were.
Sam just went a little bit overboard.
But it still looks really good.
Yeah.
He went from not enough to a little bit overboard.
Yep. He was definitely not shy with the meat.
Still ready for the next two. Woo, good job. Guys.
2 down, 2 to go.
We even ended up with a little bit of sauce.
Alright, so the first two pizzas we're about to eat. Ooh, that one looks good.
That one's loaded.
All right.
That's perfect.
Very good, Sam. Yummy.